Have you ever felt completely drained by midday? No matter how much coffee you drink, you just can't keep going. Well, stick around to the end of this video because we're going to share with you the secrets behind sustaining endless energy. And trust me, you'll want to hear what others have to say after trying these steps for themselves. When we talk about never running out of energy, we're not talking about some magic pill. We're talking about understanding how energy works in the body and how to optimize it. Energy is essentially the capacity for your body to perform work. It comes from the food you eat, the air you breathe, and how well you take care of your mental and emotional state.
That's right. And we're not just talking about physical energy here. Mental energy is just as important, if not more important. If your mind is fatigued, your body will feel it too.
Let's break down how energy is produced in your body. The key player here is mitochondria, often called the powerhouse of the cell. These tiny organelles convert nutrients from food into a molecule called ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is your body's energy currency. The more efficient your mitochondria are, the more energy you have. So how do we optimize mitochondrial function?
Exactly. One fascinating study published in Cell Metabolism showed that people with highly functioning mitochondria tend to have more energy and stamina. This is why athletes are often so full of energy. They've trained their bodies to use oxygen and nutrients efficiently.
So, how do we improve mitochondrial function? The answer might surprise you. It's all about lifestyle choices. Things like proper nutrition, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and managing stress all contribute to how well your mitochondria produce energy.
All right. Now that we understand the science, let's break down the steps you can take to never run out of energy.
Food is your fuel. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, like vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, sugars, and anything that will spike your blood sugar. According to Dr. Hyman, a leader in functional medicine, what you eat has a direct impact on your energy levels and mood throughout the day.
Exactly. And if you're wondering what to eat for sustained energy, consider foods like oats, nuts, avocados, and salmon. These foods are packed with essential vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for energy production.
Physical activity actually creates more mitochondria in your cells, which leads to higher energy production. The key is balance. Overexertion can deplete energy stores, but regular, moderate exercise, like brisk walking, strength training, or yoga, can boost energy levels.
Yes, and you don't have to run a marathon. Research shows that just 30 minutes of daily physical activity can make a massive difference in how you feel.
You can't run at full speed if you're not well rested. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, and your brain consolidates memories and processes information. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night.
And let's not forget the importance of circadian rhythm. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock, which leads to better energy levels during the day.
Mental fatigue is one of the biggest energy drains. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that, over time, can deplete your energy stores. Learning how to manage stress through meditation, deep breathing, or even hobbies can work wonders.
Totally. Studies show that mindfulness practices like meditation not only reduce stress, but also improve mitochondrial function. So reducing stress has a direct connection to your energy levels.
Dehydration is an often overlooked factor in energy depletion. Even mild dehydration can leave you feeling sluggish and fatigued. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day.
That's right. A simple tip. Start your day with a glass of water and keep drinking throughout the day to maintain your energy levels.
Now, let's hear what others have to say after trying these strategies.
Here's a comment from one of our viewers, Sarah, who says, "I started following these steps 2 weeks ago, and it's been a game changer. I'm eating better, sleeping more, and my energy levels have doubled. Thanks for breaking it down so simply."
Awesome, Sarah. And here's another from Marcus. "I was skeptical at first, but managing my stress and exercising regularly has seriously improved my mental focus. I don't feel that midday crash anymore."
It's amazing how small, consistent changes can have such a big impact.
And there you have it. Your blueprint to never running out of energy. Remember, this isn't an overnight fix, but by taking consistent steps like optimizing your diet, staying active, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, and staying hydrated, you can truly transform your energy levels.
Absolutely. And it's not just about physical energy, it's about mental clarity and emotional well-being too.
Now, we want to hear from you. What steps are you going to try first? Have you already tried any of these and noticed a difference? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.
And don't forget to like this video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and here's to endless energy.